Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. I hope you enjoyed today's content for the midweek scrap iron project. I really enjoy doing that. It's cool to be able to take just miscellaneous things out of the shop and make something that you can sell in the store, and I hope that it inspires you, or hopefully it inspires you to visit us and buy something from me. But anyway, today is the 16th, and last month I said that I was going to give a giveaway for our 1,000 subs. Now we're almost to break 1,200, I believe. I think last time I checked it was 194. But anyway, this is the knife, and this is what we're going to be drawing for. And we've got Boo Boo here with us. He's going to help today. I put all the entrants in here, and this is actually really awesome. I want to say thank you to everybody that participated, everybody that commented, everybody that shared the video. I had people that even shared it that said, hey, I'm not in the United States, but you know, they shared it anyway. And that was truly amazing. The channel's growing, and it's all because of people like you. Now, as we draw this, if your name is not drawn, please don't fret, because I'm going to hold on to these, and then I will add you to future drawings in the future. As the channel grows, inevitably we'll be doing other things. So, before we get too antsy, I'm going to shake these up real good, mix them up, and then we're going to have Boo Boo draw a name out. Okay, pick one. Just one. Alright, he's got one. And it is Jimmy Jocelyn. So Jimmy Jocelyn, you are the winner of the forged rail spike knife with the skull handle. Congratulations. Thank you for participating. And thank you, Boo Boo. Can you give me 5? Alright. So, again, thank you all. I really much appreciate absolutely everything. And I hope that you're enjoying these little short segmented videos during the week. I know that oftentimes they're fairly simple, pretty easy projects that anybody can do, but that's what I'm trying to do, is not only get content out there, but hopefully supply something that inspires you to get out into your own shop or to visit us online. So with that, Jimmy, I'll be getting a hold of you and getting your information via personal message. So congratulations, and everybody else, good luck for future drawings. Thank you very much.